Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to see how we can order food on Burger King and Uber Eats. If you are on Uber Eats, this will be the home page, and if you go through all those restaurants which are nearby to your location, based on the location, this Uber Eats home page will show you all those designated locations. If you would like to order the food from Burger King, just go and search, or straight away it will give you some pop-up of the nearby restaurants. From that, if you are finding your restaurant, just go and click on that one. Otherwise, go to search. There will be a browse option here. Go and write Burger King here. So I'm going to Burger King, and I would like to order some items from Burger King. Let's see what all available here. So there will be 9-piece fried chicken, hopping meal, original chicken sandwich, and there will be plans like meals, PM based meals are available with them, and you can also have a la carte the PM. For the PMs it will be a la carte available, and the family bundles too are available here. You can also add your sides like french fries, onion rings, or jalapeno cheddar bites, and so many are available here. And desserts also available, beverages also available, and King Junior meals are available. This is the famous on Burger King. So if you would like to order the junior meal, straight away come here and add, or otherwise, so let's see, I would like to order meals for my, I would be thinking to order a triple Whopper meal. Yeah, this will be sufficient for all of us. So I would like to add large triple Whopper meal, yes, which is costing a little bit extra, and you want to have extra cheese, bacon, add barbecue sauce, all this you can do here, or you can add up with some french fries, onion rings. Yeah, I would like to have onion rings, and I would like to have drink Diet Coke here. Let's see, now getting into the cart. So in the cart section it is added and costing me 15.89 USD. If you observe, just go and click on this, it will show you in your cart. So in the cart section it will be showing me 15.89 US dollar to my address, but when you go to checkout it will tell you the exact price whatever you are ordering, and how much time it will take to deliver you the item to your address, whichever you have mentioned here. For the standard delivery it's taking 20 to 35 minutes, and yeah, this is the item which I'm ordering. You can add gifts, you can add promo code, and the total item would be costing me 15.89 USD. Delivery fee is there because it's very far place from my place, so it's costing me 4.49 USD. The taxes are added here. Totally the item would be costing me 24.31 USD. Now I can add my payment methods here. There are several methods available. Just choose your own payment method and just click on this place order. That's all, your order will be placed and it will be available to your destination location. That's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content.